Yeah, I know, it's been a while since I made a video, and I'm sorry about that, okay? But without further ado, I bring to you. We're gonna take this thing to XRP and do a little bit of testing and see what happens from there. So let's get after it. Man, first pass went great. A to B, ran the number we needed it to run. Little Gangsters class is a 530. We went 532, so I'm gonna leave it exactly like it is and see if we can get it to her feet. Let's go up for the next round. Second pass was pretty good. Let's see. Repeated the same. Let's talk Nitrous ramp and Nitrous controller. Man, I love this Mac 6. Super easy to use. Check out this Nitrous ramp. So, this baby got a big block Chevy in it. Big block Chevy. Anyway, we're leaving at 17%. And within 2 seconds, we're ramped to 70%. And then I'm shutting the nitrous off at 2 seconds. So we're trickling in 70 horsepower worth of nitrous on this bad boy. And this big block Chevy picking up a decent amount of time. We over here at the little Gangsters chip tribe. My boy Kyle right here. You're not going to be able to help me today, my guy. We're going to be competitors.
Well,
today.
I'll just meet you in the finals when we'll split. How about that?
Oh, I like that.
Sounds
I like
good to
that. I got a couple people I got to meet in the finals. I got to meet you in the finals. I got to meet the Abneys in the finals. I got.
All right, so are we splitting at the STEM finals then?
Yeah, it's gonna be. Y'all sport. No. Anyway, hey, this is my first Little Gangsters race I've ever entered. I've never entered.
Me too.
A Little Gangsters.
I'm not a small tire guy. What hard tire and a small tire guy?
I'm not a small tire guy. I just don't know what I am. I'm just a.
It's
I'm
who
a
you
dork,
are.
no prep. The no prep guy. Dork, no prep guy. We're Cheeto eating, no prep racer. Isn't that what they call us? Cheeto eating, no prep racers.
I mean,
Yeah.
that's what we are. So.
First official Little Gangsters race. Let's go. What?
Have the slicks rattled you yet out here? No.
No, I'm not hitting it hard at all.
Maybe later.
Maybe. Day 2 out here at the XRP Extreme Raceway Park. We entered the Little Gangsters class. This is our first official Little Gangsters race. I've been to a few of them. I actually did race this car one round Little Gangsters, but I didn't sign up. I didn't draw. It wasn't me. I just got thrown in the driver's seat last minute. So that don't count. That wasn't my first Little Gangsters. This is now officially my first Little Gangsters, and we officially named this bad boy Bruce Wayne. Like a Batmobile. And like Bruce from Finding Nemo's a Mako shark. And I don't know if you guys didn't know anything about Corvettes, but they had a C3 Corvette that was a Mako shark edition. Pretty cool. Yeah, anyway. I wanted to get Cody Folsom or one of them guys, Waylon or whatever. I wanted a baddie first round just so I could get it over with. We either putting them on the trailer or they putting us on the trailer. Well, I got Cody Folsom, so that was good.
We put them on the trailer.
I wanted Cody Folsom.
We put them on the trailer.
I wanted one of those guys, and yeah, we're gonna give her hell. We're gonna try to put him on a trailer. Bumble, ready for her first round. They split it up in 2 categories. There's 50 little Gangsters cars, so I think there's like A, B, C, and D group. They're Group A, we're Group B. Do a wheelie or something cool, bro. No wheelies? Okay, cool. Anyway. So yeah, we're gonna get ready to go up for our first round here shortly. Little Gangsters, I drew my boy, dude. What the hell? So look at this baddie right here. Golly. Freaking pro mod. Alrighty, well, first round Little Gangsters did not go the way that we had anticipated. There's a nice little fancy dancy rocker switch. Here, actually, let me show you guys where it's at. See out there? See all those fancy dancy rocker switches? See the third one to the right there? Third one from right, it says Nitrous arm. Crazy, the Nitrous won't work unless that's on. So yeah, I went to go try to make a motor pass. Nitrous wasn't on. This thing on motor is fast, but it ain't fast enough for a Little Gangsters class right now. So we basically gave old Cody a bottle in the first round. I rock it to my homie. It really sucks though. It's really starting to weigh on me going to all these races. You guys see my YouTubes. I'm doing this shit by myself. It's really starting to weigh on me a little bit. I know it's a path that I chose, but I mean, I can't afford to pay no fancy race team or, you know, have people go with me and help. When I was in AZ, at least I had a whole group of homies that would love to travel with me and go and help me. Like, I'm not saying that the Abneys aren't helping me, or like Kenny, when he has free time, they're helping me. But to get to the track and have to scrounge up help is not a solid race program. I've been trying to do it all by myself. It really sucks. It's really starting to freaking weigh on me. Trying to do all this stuff literally solo, making these drives solo. I mean, 20-hour drives by myself, 18-hour drives by myself to go racing. It really sucks. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to complain. I'll leave it at that. Not an excuse why I lost. I lost. It is what it is. But it's a lot to remember to do every single thing about race programs 100% by yourself. I drove here. I got the car ready. I did the fuel, tires, air, nitrous, changed the bottles, everything. And here we are. So it is what it is. I'm going to throw this thing back in the box. I'm going to go to Yellowbelly. Okay, so we decided to load up from XRP. And now we are here at the Bello Yelly. Oh my gosh, guys. What now? I get it. I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, why would he go somewhere else to do some racing or testing if he didn't have any help? But I do got some help here because my boy Preston and all them guys is going to be here. Now, I do have help at the other race, but they're racing, right? Like, they're competing in the same class that we're competing in, so it's hard, and we're all stretched thin, and man, so I don't want anyone to think I don't have local help. I do. Very limited when we're all racing the same class. So at least here I'll have some help because my boy Preston is just kind of testing as well, and that's all we're doing. So let's get this thing ready, warmed up, and go up and get a couple test licks in. Last time we was at Yellowbelly, y'all remember what happened. We're gonna see if we can do a little better. First pass was very nice and smooth. Last time we was here, it's like riding a horse. You get bucked off, you gotta get right back on. Last time we was here, we was a little, and that one was a smooth A to B pass. Alrighty, that pass was pretty good. She went smooth A to B right down through there. Thanks to the hombres over there helping me get lined up. I heard little birdie told me there's a low ET like prize or whatever. It's not like a prize, but it's like a bounty on low ET, right?
Yeah,
Low ET bounty. I was just doing some little gangsters testing, but they said that bounty is like $1,000. So I'm gonna leave the nitrous on for longer than 2 seconds, and we're gonna see if we can beat it. Get us a little gas money, go home. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
What do you think, Wild Bill?
Yeah.
We're gonna see what we could get.
Let's
We're gonna
send that
see.
motherfucker.
Well, I'd say we had a pretty successful night of testing over here at the yellobelly. Look at that baddie little S10 over there. Even a moment ago, just vibrating my walls. Anyway, we're going to put her back in the box. We're going to go over it next week, put some new tires on it, get her all freshened up and ready, and we go head to New Mexico, little Gangsters class. I think we got a hot rod. I think we got a pretty good contender for this little 530 class I've never really been into, but now we into, so we see what happens. Golly, that my motherfucker look good, boy. I tell you what, that motherfucker look good. Also, I'm very sorry about not making content for a little while. Got a lot of life stuff going on, but that's not y'all's problem. It's my problem. I get it, and I'm gonna fix it. We'll be all right. We'll be back making content ASAP. Sometimes life just grabs you by the huevos and likes to twist them and make you do all kind of weird stuff. You know? But it's all right. We'll be all right. We're going to get through everything and we'll be out there. So, as always, I appreciate y'all hanging out with me and hanging out while we were getting this thing lined out. We'll see you next weekend in New Mexico.